Welcome back to Deco, where we explore inspiring home garden designs that transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary retreats. Today, we're stepping into a whimsical backyard garden escape filled with creative upcycled decor, rustic charm, and beautiful ideas perfect for small outdoor spaces. Whether you have a compact backyard, a cozy courtyard, or a tiny garden nook, this video will show you how imagination and creativity can turn any space into a magical sanctuary. You'll discover charming details that blend nature, comfort, and personality. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us bring more beautiful garden inspiration to you every week. The heart of a whimsical garden starts with an inviting layout that encourages exploration and relaxation. Curved pathways, hidden corners, and layered plantings create a sense of wonder even in the smallest backyard spaces. Natural materials such as weathered wood, stone, and gravel help establish a rustic atmosphere. These elements blend seamlessly with the surrounding greenery and create a timeless garden aesthetic. Adding unexpected details like stepping stones shaped from reclaimed materials or winding garden paths can make visitors feel as though they've entered a storybook setting. Every turn reveals a new surprise. One of the easiest ways to add charm to a backyard garden is through upcycled planters. Old watering cans, vintage buckets, wooden crates, and even retired wheelbarrows can become beautiful homes for flowers and herbs. These repurposed containers add personality and history to the garden while reducing waste. Their aged finishes and unique textures contribute to the rustic look that makes whimsical gardens feel authentic and welcoming. Mix colorful blooms with cascading greenery to soften the edges of these containers. The contrast between reclaimed materials and vibrant plants creates a delightful visual display throughout the garden. Every garden escape needs a comfortable place to sit and enjoy the surroundings. Rustic benches made from reclaimed wood or vintage metal furniture can become focal points while offering practical relaxation spaces. Position seating beneath a tree, beside a flower bed, or near a small water feature. These quiet corners invite moments of reflection and make the garden feel like a true retreat from daily life. Enhance the cozy atmosphere with outdoor cushions, throw blankets, and natural fabrics in earthy tones. These simple additions create warmth and encourage visitors to linger a little longer. When space is limited, vertical gardening becomes a valuable design solution. Trellises, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets allow plants to grow upward rather than outward. Repurposed wooden pallets can be transformed into stunning vertical gardens. Filled with herbs, succulents, or flowering plants, they add texture and greenery while maximizing every inch of available space. Vertical elements also create visual depth and help define different areas within the garden. This layered approach makes compact spaces feel larger, richer, and more immersive. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a whimsical atmosphere after sunset. Soft illumination transforms the garden into a magical retreat filled with warmth and charm. String lights draped through trees, solar lanterns along pathways, and candles placed safely in decorative holders can create a dreamy glow throughout the space. Upcycled glass jars converted into lanterns add both character and sustainability to the design. Their gentle light highlights garden features and creates enchanting evening ambience. Small decorative accents help tell a story within the garden. Vintage signs, rustic birdhouses, antique tools, and handcrafted ornaments can add layers of interest and personality. Rather than filling the space with too many decorations, choose a few meaningful pieces that complement the natural surroundings. This approach keeps the garden balanced and visually appealing. Unexpected treasures tucked among flowers or hidden beneath shrubs encourage discovery and reinforce the whimsical theme. These details make each visit feel unique and memorable. A successful whimsical garden balances creativity with nature. Native plants, pollinator-friendly flowers, and diverse textures help create a thriving ecosystem that supports birds, butterflies, and beneficial insects. Combining these natural elements with handcrafted and upcycled decor creates a garden that feels personal and distinctive. The result is a space that reflects both environmental awareness and artistic expression. The beauty of this style lies in its flexibility. Every reclaimed object, planted container, and decorative accent contributes to a garden that evolves over time and tells its own unique story. We hope these whimsical backyard garden ideas have inspired you to transform your outdoor space into a charming retreat filled with rustic beauty and creative upcycled decor. Even the smallest backyard can become a magical escape with thoughtful design choices. Remember that great garden design is not about size or budget. It's about creativity, personality, and making the most of the space you have. Start small, experiment with ideas, and enjoy the process of creating your own backyard sanctuary. Thank you so much for watching Deco. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite garden idea. We'll see you in the next inspiring garden journey.